असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. Now exercise 11.4 problem number 10. Look at the question ma. If cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, then prove that cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here we have to prove this by using this condition. Okay, right. Here we are going to solve this problem in two methods ma. Okay, right. First of all, write down what is given here. So given cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k. Okay, right. So what we have to prove? Cos theta equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Right. So I am taking here RHS. What is the RHS ma given there? That is nothing but k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Consider it is equation 1. From equation 1 we can replace the k value as cosec theta plus cot theta, isn't it? Right. Replace the k value in this equation. Okay. So what we get here? Cosec theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. Right. Here I replaced k value as cosec theta plus cot theta. We got this. Right. Now a plus b whole square. What is that ma? A plus b whole square is equals to, we are having a square plus b square plus 2ab. I am going to use this formula here. Right. So cosec theta whole square plus cot theta whole square plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta minus 1 by this also cosec theta whole square plus cot theta whole square plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta plus 1. Okay, right. This we can write cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta minus 1, and this we can write cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta plus 1. Okay, right. So look at here ma. So in place of cosec square theta we can replace. So what is the formula we are having? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. With the use of this, in place of cosec square theta we can replace 1 plus cot square theta, isn't it? We can write this here. Okay, and the next step, in place of cot square theta what we can write ma? Same formula. So if I transpose cosec LHS side, it becomes like this, and subtract, so minus also goes that side. What becomes ma? Cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, so in place of cot square theta we can replace cosec square theta minus 1. Right. So these two formulas I am going to use here. Okay, right. So in place of cosec square theta I am writing 1 plus cot square theta plus cot square theta as it is plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta minus 1 by, in place of cosec as it is cosec square theta plus, in place of cot square theta I am writing cosec square theta minus 1 plus 2 cosec theta cot theta plus 1 as it is 2 cosec theta into cot theta plus 1 as it is. Okay, right. Here this minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Okay, right. What is the remaining? Cot square theta plus cot square theta, 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta by cosec square theta 2 cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta as this. And the next step, so here I am taking 2 cot theta common. So if I take 2 cot theta common, what becomes ma? So 2 cot theta coming out. So what is the remaining here? Cot theta is remaining as it is, plus 2 came out as well as cot also. So what is the remaining ma? Cosec theta is remaining by, so what is this? In here I am taking 2 cosec theta common. What is the remaining ma here? Cosec theta is remaining plus cot theta is remaining here. Okay, right. So I am going to erase this. So look at carefully ma. So this 2 cot theta and cot theta plus cosec theta by this one 2 cosec theta, and I am going to write this cot theta plus cosec theta. Okay, there is nothing difference. Cot theta plus cosec theta. Okay, so here these 2 gets cancelled. What is the remaining one? And 2 gets cancelled. Cot theta by cosec theta is the remaining. Okay, right. This cot theta we can write cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta, and this cosec theta we can write 1 by sin theta. Okay, right. I am writing here cos theta by sin theta by 1 by sin theta. So in the next step what becomes ma? So cos theta by sin theta, this becomes reciprocal. Okay, what is that? Sin theta by 1, isn't it? Right, here sin theta gets cancelled, remaining is cos theta. Okay, so here I have taken the LHS k square minus 1, sorry, I have taken the RHS k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. I got RHS equals to cos theta. Hence, this is nothing but our RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS. We got here. Okay, right. Now we are going to see second method to solve this problem. Okay, right. So given cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k as it is, I am writing here. There is equation 1. Right. So we have an identity. What is that? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1, isn't it? Right. We are having this. So with this identity, I am writing this as cosec theta plus cot theta and cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. Okay, right. So from the equation 1 we are having cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k. So I am going to replace here k value. Okay, so k into cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1. So cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k, isn't it? K transpose to RHS side. So it is equation 2. Now I am going to solve this equation 1 and equation 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. So how can we solve this ma? So write down cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, and equation 2 cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. Here I am going to add this. Okay, it means adding this cot theta minus cot theta gets cancelled. What is the remaining ma? 2 cosec theta it is. Cosec theta plus cosec theta, it becomes 2 cosec theta. It is equals to k plus 1 by k. Here I am adding the both equation 1 and 2. Okay, right. So what becomes ma? 2 cosec theta is equals to k plus 1 by k. So 2 cosec theta is equals to, take the cross multiplication, k square plus 1 by k. It means k into k plus 1 into 1 by 1 into k. In the next step, k into k square plus 1 into 1 1 by 1 into k as it is. Okay, right. So cosec theta is equals to k square plus 1 by 2k. This 2 transpose to RHS side. Okay, right. So this is the cosec theta. So if I write sin theta in terms of sine, what becomes ma? This cosec theta we can write 1 by sin theta, isn't it? So 1 by sin theta is equals to k square plus 1 by 2k. So it becomes, what becomes ma? Sin theta is equals to 2k by k square plus 1. I am taking the reciprocal for this. Okay, right. This is the sin theta. So we are having a identity between sin and cos, isn't it? What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. With the use of this cos square theta, we can write 1 minus sin square theta, isn't it? Can you write like this? Yes, we can write. So now replace the sin theta value in place of sin. Okay, so what is the sin theta value we are having? So cos square theta is equals to 1 minus 2k by k square plus 1 whole square. Okay, right. Here I have replaced the sin square theta. Okay, sin in place of sin theta 2k by k square plus 1. Okay, right. Now I am going to simplify that. Right ma. So cos square theta is equals to 1 minus 2k whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. So what becomes ma? Cos square theta as it is, take the cross multiplication, k square plus 1 whole square into 1 minus 2k whole square into 1 by 1 into k square plus 1 whole square. Okay, right. So cos square theta is equals to k square plus 1 whole square minus 2k whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. So next cos square theta is equals to, this you can write a plus b whole square formula. Okay, I am going to apply here a plus b whole square formula is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. So k square whole square minus plus 1 square minus 2 into k square into 1 minus, this becomes 2k into 2k, nothing but 4k square. Okay, 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square. Okay, right. So here it is plus not minus, a plus b whole square we are applying here, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2k square becomes 2k whole square becomes 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square as it is. Next cos square theta is equals to k square whole square plus 1 square, this becomes 2k square minus 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square. Okay, right. I am going to erase this. So look at it carefully ma. So write down as it is. Cos square theta is equals to k square whole square plus 1 square plus 2k square minus 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square. Okay. So here look at here carefully, ma. K square whole square as it is plus 1 square as it is plus 2k square minus 4k square becomes minus 2k square. Okay. Is it right? Yes. By k square plus 1 whole square. So next step, k square minus whole square plus 1 square minus 2k square by k square plus 1 whole square, isn't it? So this is nothing but in the form of a minus b whole square, isn't it? So this we can write. So for example, a square plus b square minus 2ab we are having. What we can write, ma? We can write a minus b whole square. Similarly, k square whole square plus 1 square minus 2k square means we can write this as k square minus 1 whole square, isn't it? Can you write like this? We can write like this, ma. Do it in the rough work. Right, I am going to erase this. So now we can replace here k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. Here cos square theta as it is. In the next step what becomes, ma? Cos theta is equal to the square becomes root to the RHS side k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. Okay. Right. The next step. What becomes, ma? So cos theta as it is. So k square plus 1 by k square minus 1 is minus, ma. K square minus 1 k square plus 1 whole square root we can write, isn't it? Can you write like this? I am taking the single root here, okay, single square here. Okay, now this square root gets cancelled. So cos theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is our required answer. Look at here, cos theta equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. We have proved here, okay, by taking cosec theta plus cot theta equals to 1, k. Right, this is the answer.